And next thing is to raise your standard. Okay, so there was a client that we were working with, and she had some issues with her mother-in-law. Small issues, not a big deal. So I said, look, imagine if you were performing an open heart surgery. If you were performing an open heart surgery, would you still be concerned about these things? No, right? Same thing, let's say if you're not performing the open heart surgery, you're a nurse, you're a nursing assistant on that. You would have a bigger concern to worry about than these petty small things. So a lot of time we have these small things to worry about because we don't have something bigger to worry about. A lot of time we worry about what the other people are doing or not doing because there's nothing for us to worry about. So if we embark on a project on our own, by our own selves, or join a project as a volunteer, then we'll be thinking about that project and how do I make it successful. Right? So for example, let's say some people who are raising funds for this masjid, right? Their concern is like, okay, how do I raise funds to buy the church that we have bought? That's what they're thinking about. And when they're thinking about it, their relationship with Allah become better because now they have a bigger concern. They'll try to have a better relationship with Allah, so Allah assists them in that bigger goal. They'll think about their time management. They'll think about their communication skills. There's so much to worry about when we have bigger concerns. So raise your standard.